Cultural capital of Korea, designated as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, the city of Hanok, Jeonju. We will introduce the top 3 hotels for tourists. If you want to receive hotel informations every evening, please click the subscribe button. The location is very convenient. You can walk to the Hanok village without needing a taxi. There are many famous traditional Korean restaurants around. The room is clean and very neatly cleaned. Guests can have free breakfast at the hotel restaurant. It is a centrally located hotel with affordable prices. The hotel is located opposite the Hanok village. There is a cafe on the first floor, where guests can rest. Breakfast is simple with cereal, bananas, bread and coffee. The rooms are simply designed, modern, with a balcony with a beautiful view. The hotel has a reasonable price compared to other hotels in the area. Located in Jeonju, within easy walking distance of popular attractions such as Jeonju Hanok Village or Nambu Market. Rooms are spacious, clean and fully equipped. Free coffee and tea provided. Friendly and hospitable staff. Rated as the best value hotel. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.